Hello friends, welcome to Anurag's Food Studio. Today we'll make peri peri grilled chicken. Here are the ingredients: chicken, black pepper powder, butter, chili garlic seasoning, mixed herbs, olive oil, honey, brown sugar, chili powder, and salt. Now let's season the chicken. Salt, pepper powder, chili powder, chili garlic seasoning, mixed herbs, and olive oil. Mix it well, both sides. Now let's marinate it for at least an hour. Now it's been 1 hour. The chicken is perfectly marinated. Now we will grill it in the microwave. Now we will preheat the oven at 220 degree. We will grill this chicken at 220 degree for 20 minutes. So this is in the convection mode, set at 220 degree. Now the oven is preheated. Now we'll put the chicken in the oven. We'll set the time for 20 minutes and start. As the chicken is in the microwave, now we will make the peri peri sauce. For that, I use the Veera peri peri sauce. As you see, it's 96% fat free. First, we'll put some butter. To that, we will add the peri peri sauce. To that, a little bit of black pepper, red chili powder, brown sugar, a little bit of honey. And a pinch of salt. After 13 minutes, just pause it. Take out the chicken. Now the sauce is ready. We will now baste it on the chicken evenly. We'll baste it smoothly all over the chicken. Now we have applied the sauce evenly on the chicken. Now we will grill it for the next 7 minutes. Now the food is ready. Here is your peri peri chicken. enjoy the food.